and a friend of mine were just chatting about business, chatting about how to make money. Then he just mentioned that a friend of his is also doing Forex. So guys, this is how I got involved in Forex trading. It was 2018. Then I was a medical student in 5th year, and a friend of mine were just chatting about business, chatting about how to make money. Then he just mentioned that a friend of his is also doing Forex. So then I didn't understand what Forex is. For me, I thought maybe that friend works in the bank or does something very technical. So it wasn't until three to 4 months later, another friend now told me that his friend is teaching about Forex within the same town. So I said, why not? Let's go and see what this guy has for us. By then we were having our electives. Electives is just a short break where medical students take a break. They go to another hospital and are able to learn under some doctors. So I was doing that, but within the same town where I go to school. So I attended this training day 1. He was charging about $100, though he didn't allow me to pay because I was a close friend. So I just studied in, he introduced it, registered many people into the course. And then I said, why not? Let's just join in for I think we joined in for like 4 or 5 days of training. We were trained on the basics, we were trained on what is Forex, we were trained on lot sizes, we were trained on fundamentals, we were trained on technicals. So I took all that, and then we were given a strategy. The strategy was mainly looking at levels, support and resistance, and then using fib levels for making trades. So I said, let me just give myself some time of demo trading, and then I can start on with the live account. So I was so eager to trade, so I didn't stay long demoing my account. So once I got some money, I think it was $100. I went in straight away, put in the money, and began trading. So now, one of those days I was just, I had traded, I think I was down $60 or something, and it was on a Friday. So we were just sitting down in my room, chatting with other friends. I think electives had already elapsed, and we were back to school. So we were just sitting in the room and talking much. So I had a trade that was going on. It was a gold trade. I think I was negative on that trade. And I had another buy limit below the price of entry with a take profit just above it. So I think something happened. We were just storing, and then I looked at the charts, and I saw very long red candles and immediately another blue candle. So when I looked at the P&L, it was just increasing. It was, I think it was $100, then it was $150, then it was $170. I could not bear having that much money in my account. So I closed everything down, and lo and behold, my account was $170 plus the $60 that was there. I was now more than $250 give and take. I was excited, very, very excited. As a 5th-year student, you don't earn that much money, especially in Kenya, because by then I think I was surviving on slightly below 1,000 Kenya shillings, which is way below $8 or so. So getting $170 worth of profit and a whole account of $250 was a major boost for me. So I know that this is the holy grail now. I'm now going to make money. Earlier that week, I had made some plans. So I had given myself targets. So I was to do a conservative figure of around $10 a week. That was my target. But here comes a Friday when I make $170 in one single day. So that profit just blew my mind. I threw away that plan of making $10 a week. In fact, immediately I ran to town to get myself some sneakers, some jackets. I was looking good. I was happy. So I changed that strategy of that plan, the target of doing $10 a week, and why not do more? So I was like, I wanted to double my account every single week, and I geared myself up for the following week. Having withdrawn my entire profit, I think the account remained with just about $100, waiting for the following week to make a great kill into the market. Given the background that I was trading with, then I was not very sure why even the market, the price ran so fast and gave me such a profit within a very short time. I think those profits came in less than say 10 to 20 minutes. Looked at what might have caused such a price run. I think I shared with my mentor then, and then I think I want to explain that it had to do with some news, but I wasn't still sure what kind of news would make the market go that rampage. So the following week, of course, I geared myself up to make now $10 on a daily basis, just so that I can double my account by the end of the week.